YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is now. The Dan is back in the lab. Yes, man, and so what they are with. Yeah, man, Deva. Yeah, I've been doing my Deva Bratt catch up on the music, man. You see me and the one name Remember, one verse. We'll check it out and so dog I deal with. Remember, kind of remind me of Jay-Z's Reminder. Reminder. Think I'm gonna send them so what dog I do upon this match. I remind people of who him is. The stuff he's done. You see me and say, you see me, the lyrics, the badness way that they would like that. Try send them a reminder. What go on? Me know. You see me and say, but I check it out and so dog I deal with it. Done Deva Bratt continuing his onslaught on the Gaza Empire, as well as his creativity. He's just being creative and just dropping crazy projects since the year started, man. You see me and say, so, yeah. We they have feed to it, we never know what they never gonna do if I drop a diss track, a creative track, a fun track, chopper track, a dance or a reggae, we don't know what they're gonna do. So we have to keep close eye on them and some of these. So yeah, we'll check out the one name. Remember, before we do that, hit the like and subscribe button, gang. Road to 10K, we're only 1,500. We gonna make this happen in February. We know we can do it in February. Right, 10K in February, gang. Speak it into existence. Let's make that happen. Like and subscribe button. Yeah, man, I jump right in that chat. Deva Bratt, remember. One verse, let's get it.
To the sheep them, still a beat them. Under pressure them a matter. Crucial conflict, confident, ready for defeat them.
Oh, glad for the sheep them, come on.
First thing you say you want be part of empire. Commanding chief, the boss, the emperor. We drink vibes from boss gun and pop color. From young guns, these islanders with bala. This thing a Marvin Beans, never make a dollar. Those are Azaba and me two bad mind brother. Cobran and Craig Dennis.
Oh, we don't got talk. You say you want to be part of empire, but don't remember the emperor. We drink street vibes rum. Wait, me don't know that. I beg friend on cartel. I mean by drink street vibes rum and all these things. Wait, what go on, Deva?
Under pressure them a matter. Crucial conflict, confident, ready for defeat them.
Crucial conflict, confident, ready for defeat them, alright?
First thing you say you want be part of empire. Commanding chief, the boss, the emperor. We drink vibes from boss gun and pop color. From young guns, yeah.
Drink vibes on boss gun and pop color. Vibes on, bro. What go on? You can't tell a friend not. What go on? Why you drink vibes on? You support the dog thing. You see that? What go on?
Islanders with bala. This thing a Marvin Beans, never make a dollar. Those are Azaba and me two bad mind brother. Cobran and Craig Dennis gone home to Allah. Respect, condolence and honor.
So dog and Craig Dennis gone home to Allah. Them G's and P's. Watch you.
Me know you remember the war with Sasko and Spraga. We are bad from Diamond Sachs was a bagger. Where you bad from? Had red scrape on a hanger. The shot I tell us if you chuck back in your mother. You kick down ninja.
Man say, remember say yo Spraga we bad from the song we bad from. You see me? Yeah man, I remember say remind us we bad so chuck back in here.
Had red scrape on a hanger. The shot I tell us if you chuck back in your mother. You kick down ninja man the dandada. And the banter.
Alright, so a Vibes cartel him attack. How do you blood clean? Watch you.
Sax was a bagger where you bad from. Had red scrape on a hanger. The shot I tell us if you chuck back in your mother. You kick down ninja man the dandada. And the bantan one dan young scholar.
And the bantan. Adi Bantan, then me kind of say that great buju, you know. I go on.
Monday done dada, Adi Bantan one dan young scholar, ugly and bossy like Salah. Now here comes the fame and glamour. Do you remember?
Say ugly and bossy like Salah. Now here come the fame and glamour. Blood and scared.
But them time they a killer you a follow. Real backstabber you fi watch him in a vaga. Catch him as a ga wet niche up under the cabana. No care, him bare face, him a
yeah man say yo yeah that fella back a bounty to blows and scurfy tree. Oh yeah backstabber. Yes man, cause you did a Zagaza wedding under the cabana. They did a Beanie Man wedding when Beanie Man that married the angel. Yeah backstabber. Jesus Christ, Jesus and peace. Never! Yo, watch you!
Time they a killer you a follow. Real backstabber you fi watch him in a vaga. Catch him as a ga wet niche up under the cabana. No care, him bare face, him a koala. Him pussy some picture we no see.
Him bare face, him a koala. Oh my God, this man full of lyrics. Koala is in the family of Guacho. I ain't gonna talk.
Cabana, no care, him bare face, him a koala. Him pussy picture we no see when she a swallow. Now a kiss past stage, licky back, walla walla. Your board tongue picture.
Impose the picture with Lisa when she has saw no in the on stage and kiss licky back. Weird. We might have kissing to them and kissing Lisa. Wait. Hold on. No, sir. This nice.
Post Lisa picture we no see when she a swallow. Now a kiss past stage, licky back, walla walla. Your board tongue picture and deal with it ragga. You a demon real anti-gada. Me coulda tell you about your mother.
I say a demon cat. Oh my gosh.
But nobody suck your mother. Believe me, no dada love the snake and the ladder.
Man say, yo, we learn it.
But nobody suck your mother.
Man say, voila.
Big shanty deal with it ragga. You a demon real anti-gada. Me coulda tell you about your mother, but nobody suck your mother. Believe me, no dada love
We could tell you about your mother, but nobody suck your mother now.
Believe me, no dada love the snake and the ladder. Stop dealing on the Lawrence to liquor and the grabber. And leave the Deva Bratt make me untongue gather. The food for me daughters, my wife and me mother. Me tell me sons, we watch out for them, girl, ya. Can't trust.
Yeah, man, the man say, yo, me don't want to hear just love me provide. You see me for me? Watch you.
To liquor and the grabber. And leave the Deva Bratt make me untongue gather. The food for me daughters, my wife and me mother. Me tell me sons, we watch out for them, girl, ya. Can't trust nothing, everything a backstabber. Still kill them with style.
Yes, man, that's facts. Can't trust nothing, everything a backstabber. That's facts. God tell you, don't put your trust in a man, you know. Yes, that's facts. And he said, man, in that time, man alone, that means a woman, picnic, children, they be blood thing. Don't put your trust in a man. That's facts, man. People will let you down, man. Yes, man. All people can depend on yourself and God. You see me? I say, yes. And don't that themselves hate people, you know. You see me? It's just that people can be compromised. They're human beings. You see me? Yeah, they can be weak at times. You see me? And it only takes a little moment of vulnerability or weakness for the devil to slip through, you know, and do what need for doing on people. You see me? I say. So, it's not really like if you hate people, it's just, you just have to trust people for be people. You see me? Yeah, trust people for be human, which means trust if you're not to be perfect. Trust you to make mistakes. You see me? I say, yes, man. You want to?
Swagger to the sheep them, me might seem like an attacker. Still I beat them, all when them a run and them a flatter. Me keep them under pressure, them a butter. Crucial conflict, confident, ready for defeat them. Them a no bad man, them a hacker. Deva Bratt.
Them a no bad man, them a hacker. Which one I hacker? Them actor that I hacker on computer. Watch you.
If you defeat them a no bad man, them a hacker. Deva Bratt a leader, me no follow back up. Go ask me what say, then ask Dapper. Peaceful Friday morning, nuclear get come here.
Say yo, Deva Bratt a leader. We don't follow back up. Go ask Miss Zeng. She dead. T-bomba. Weird. We are gonna try some. Miss Zeng can prove that him start empire. I'm the true leader. Huh? What going?
Them ready for defeat them. Them a no bad man, them a hacker. Deva Bratt a leader, me no follow back up. Go ask me what say, then ask Dapper. Peaceful Friday morning, nuclear get come here. Me run with the piece, and me could be no chopper. Shut a clap and no fire, kaka them turn on a chopper. 9 ball lucky, call on no sucker. You want?
Man say shut a clap and over here, go with me turn on the chop. Weird.
Then ask Dapper. Peaceful Friday morning, nuclear get come here.
Man say peaceful Friday morning, nuclear get copper shot. Oh blows. Watch you.
With the piece, me could be no chopper. Shut a clap and no fire, kaka them turn on a chopper. 9 ball lucky, call on no sucker.
Shut a clapper, no fire. Weird.
Run with the piece, me could be no chopper. Shut a clap and no fire, kaka them turn on a chopper. 9 ball lucky.
Shut a fire. No Viagra can turn on and chopper 9 ball.
No sucker. You want see
9 ball lucky can no sucker. Oh, for them.
Run like Asafa. Make you look at your visa if you come and marry Maka. Make sure so you.
You want to see Asafa? You want to see the empire like Asafa? I want to get visa if you come America, boy.
Make you look at your visa if you come and marry Maka. Make sure so you link Jim Cuckoo or Shaka. Suspect.
I'm glad you get your visa if you come and marry Maka. Yo, hey. Easy, Deva. Easy.
Make sure so you link Jim Cuckoo or Shaka. Suspect I know them and the head ship head utter. Please help Black Rhino him Diana suffer.
Suspect I know that. When he blows man, so make sure say yeah.
Them and the head ship head utter. Please help Black Rhino him Diana suffer. To the sheep them, they might seem like an attacker. Still I beat them, all when them a run and them a flatter. Me keep them under pressure, them a butter. Crucial conflict, confident, ready for defeat them.
John No Star, Deva Bratt. Hey, Deva. Yo, you was a alright. You're a warrior. You're a warrior, me G. You see, you're a warrior, me G. Big up yourself. Yes, man. Cause we are do right now, Deva, Black Rhino of supposed to do it to try and make a comeback, bro. You make Deva, big up your damn self. Cause we are do right now, Black Rhino, and he's supposed to try to do that right now. I know Black Rhino shot big right now. Black Rhino tripping, boy. Yes, man. But big up yourself, Deva. Remember one. You see me? I said that one the bad. You see? You want fire shot off the cartel, if I have to shot the mad to see if Rhino get it. Just, bro. Yo. Hey, Deva, you're a warrior, me G. Big up your damn self. I like it. This definitely enjoyable, gang. Yeah, man, this definitely enjoyable. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. If you like it, show the artists some love and support. Make you know so they dance. No. Yeah, man, gang. Also, yeah, let's get a dialogue going. Drop your comments. Let's talk about it in the comment section. I don't know. Road to 10K. Yes, me, I say hit the like and subscribe. We're trying to get it done this month, gang. We only 1,500 from 10. We can't do it, man. Yes, me, I say, Also, yeah. Yeah, man, what there? Man, tune. Deva Bratt, keep doing your thing, gang. You don't know. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.